Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your Shudder subscription and dive into horror and thriller content, follow these step-by-step instructions for a smooth setup. Step 1. Visit the official Shudder website or download the Shudder app from your device's app store. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up or Start Free Trial button to begin creating your account and activating your subscription. Step 3. Enter your email address, create a secure password, and provide any required personal details. Step 4. Choose your preferred subscription plan. Shudder offers monthly and annual memberships with different features and pricing. Step 5. Enter your payment information, including credit card details, or select alternative payment methods like PayPal. Step 6. Review your subscription details and billing terms carefully before proceeding with the payment. Step 7. Complete the transaction by clicking the Confirm Subscription button. Check your email for a confirmation message. Step 8. Log into your Shudder account using your new credentials and start exploring the extensive library of horror films, series, and exclusive originals immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.